Good morning, Queen of Kasuntingan. Base nagkalag-kalag pa to sila pa wala pagkabot.
And today we're gonna present our work.
Do you wanna know?
Hey guys, it's SakiV here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video is going to be a week in my life as a college student. So this video is requested by Arvin in my latest video, which is this one. So if you guys haven't seen that video, go check this out. So ayun na nga guys, he commented that gumawa ako ng a day in my life as a college student. Yes, college student, because if you guys don't know, I'm first year college now. So if I'll make a day in my life video, ang boring guys, kasi I only have one subject every day unless Saturday, because we have two subjects, which is PE and then purposive communication. Yeah, boring talaga pag a day in my life lang. Natapos kami ng November 8 for our first semester. No, start at November 22 for the second semester. Pero I'm so early guys, you know, I'm so early. I'm done with my enrollment. Oh, diba? I'm too early. Excited para second sem. Every month guys, we only have 3 to 4 subjects in the whole month. It's so nice, right? And after that month guys, pag next month na naman, iba na naman yung subjects. So anyways guys, I hope naintindihan nyo yun. Kasi kahit ako guys, ay medyo naguguluhan sa aking Tagalog, you know? So pagpasensyahan nyo na. Okay, so let's move on sa ating a week in my life as a college student.
Don't cry, you forget me by and by. Just 15, I'm 22. Judy, I just can't wait for you.
Wow.
Good morning, Queen of Kasuntingan. Ako estudyante, 5 pa lang kamo. Mga gwapa na nagabot. So pa na. Mga gwapa ako mga estudyante. Si Mark, si Samantha, si Maxine, si Dean, si Stacy. 5 lang sila. Ang subject ko karon, ethics, philosophy. Saan mo rin ako mga estudyante? Oy. Kamu ba? Mark, Samantha, Maxine, Dean, and Stacy. Call your classmates, please. I need to talk to you. Just for, mga 10 minutes siguro.
Sana all.
Sunod natin.
Kalubat.
Uy, my dear beautiful students, please message your classmates. Base nagkalag-kalag pa to sila pa wala pagkabot. Uy, yun sa naman taan eh. Ha? Magpinagwapahin na lang taan eh.
Ako guys, diba kayo mga sofa kayo mga classmates? Hey guys, so today is November 5, 3:55 p.m. So I have class at 4 p.m. So I'm just waiting. And today we're gonna present our work. Recycled materials. And this is my work. As you can see, it's a plan. Actually guys, I'm nervous. Pero, kaya. So, I'll see you guys later if the class will start now. Okay, bye! Alright guys, so it's already 4:10 and we will start at 4:15. Oh my god. I'm so nervous! Okay guys, so a little bit chica. Have you seen the vlogs of my beautiful friendship in YouTube world? Beautiful friendship. Have you seen the vlogs of SB, Mamarang Island, who else? Buyaks. Yeah, from the members of Siquijor Viners. They speak Tagalog. They speak Tagalog on their vlog, so maybe magtatagalog na rin ako. Hindi kasi ako marunong magtagalog. And pag may vlog ako, hindi rin pwedeng magtagalog lang ako because I can't express myself if magtatagalog ako. So, that's why I'm speaking Bisaya in my vlogs. But when I'll do video that is sitting video or educational, charot, educational, maestra ka girl. I mean, like this one, like a day in my college life, like related sa school, I'll be speaking English or Tagalog. But di medyo malikin mag-Bisaya guys. Okay, Bisaya man ko. But anyways, yeah, I'll speak Tagalog na. Okay. It's already 4:12, so let's just wait another 3 minutes and then we will start. Kulbaan na kay kul. Make me a ride. I'm so good to the eyes. I'm so good to the night. Tawa-tawa lang. Pero deep inside, tuk-tuk. Guys, it's so patrailing because it's already 4:17 and hindi pa kami nagsa-start. I feel so cold on December. So guys, it's already 4:20 and our instructor did not send the link from Google Meet pa, so ano na, hindi na daw tuloy. Yay! Choke! I'll be right back. Okay? Okay. Bye-bye.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Yung good afternoon at goodbye lang yung ambag sa Google Meet.
Please be ready with your output or activity number 6, the recycled materials. You have 2 minutes to explain. I'll check your attendance, Say present if you're here. Candiluna.
Present, sir.
Let's see. Vena and Friday.
Present, sir.
Before you start, I want to remind everyone that this will be our last meeting, last and final meeting of NSTP and SSP class. I'm so proud of you, every one of you guys, for participating and giving your best effort to really show your character as a responsible and competitive student through your activities and answers. Thank you so much. So we'll start with Candiluna, Master Candiluna.
So this is what I made, Santa Claus.
Friday.
Good afternoon, sir.
Please proceed, Master Friday, Viernes.
Okay, so what I created was an artificial plant out of an empty bottle, and this pink one is from the bouquet. And as you can see here, there's a black one. This is a piece of electrical tape to hold the leaves together. What's amazing with this cute artificial plant is that it lights up. I made this one not just for this activity, but I want to keep it because I put a lot of time on it. That's all, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Samantha. It was an outcome project. To be honest, I'm so happy working with you and to be part of your journey. I hope I will see you next meeting, next SEM, and I hope you continue your effort putting a competitive and responsible self so that you can achieve your goals in life, mga masters, no? Stay hungry, believe in yourself, and see you soon. See you next SEM. Thank you so much, mga masters.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Advance Merry Christmas, sir. Sir, okay, squad, sir,
Advance Merry Christmas po. Ano po mga yun, si Samantha, okay. The vlogger si Samantha, ano po mga yun, yan.
Wait. So that's it. We're done. Law of attraction. We can pass all our subjects. We can pass all our exams. Yeah. So that's it, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Let's see what will happen. Yeah. Bye. We have exam tomorrow. Hey guys. So today is November 6. It's currently 12:55 and our PE dance will start at 1 o'clock. So, let's go. I'm so nervous. Natapos akong mag-exercise. Natapos akong mag-practice ng aking exercise kagabi ng 1:30 AM and I slept at 2. So, ayun. Nagpa-practice ako para sa aming PE dance and let's see kung anong kakalabasan kasi, you know, nasashy ako and I'm so nervous. So, let's go! Let us see, guys, if I can do it. Yeah, I know I can do it. Char. Sige, bye.
ready now, my dear students?
No.
Yes, sir. Ready na, sir. Okay, very good. How about Samantha? Are you ready now, Samantha?
Ready na, sir.
Very good. Ready?
Eh, walay. Kanang walay repeat
Very
if
good. How about
na
Hermita? First set already, no? Then
Ulo.
we're going to start
Ulo.
Forward, backward.
our dance exercise, which will serve as your final examination. Okay, and before I'm going to call the first presenter, okay, so is there would like to volunteer in the class? Okay, there. Okay, hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
You play your music first if I can hear it. Yes, I can hear it. Okay, so let's give a virtual applause for Samantha. Very nice and cute presentation there, Samantha. Congratulations
Thank
for
you,
your
sir.
dance exercise. That was very nice. Okay, thank you. And now,
Siya sila yun na.
Sakto din na. Wala mo volunteer, pero kinaunan di ay. So ayun na guys, yun ang mga nangyari sa aking online class and doon talaga ako nahihirapan sa PE. So far, yun lang naman yung talagang nahihirapan ako kasi it takes a lot of effort talaga. November 7, it's Sunday, so wala akong ginawa. It's family day. So November 8, we had our exam or RBE for ethics. So at the morning, pinapa-study kami whole morning and the exam will be given to us 2 o'clock in the afternoon and the due is on the other day pa. So if ngayon, nagbigay yung proof namin 2 o'clock, the next day pa siya ng 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. magko-close. So you have a lot of time to take the exam, o diba? I usually answer my exam at 11 to 12 midnight. Yeah. Kasi feel ko lang na ganong oras ko siya i-take kasi doon nag-work ang aking brain cells. Sure. So, November 9, guys, Tuesday, ay wala na kaming klase. As in, wala nang binigay sa Google Classroom. Wala na kaming na-receive na email. As in, wala na talaga. So, break na talaga. O, diba? Happy yarn. So, meron din kami 2 weeks para sa aming sin break. At least, diba, kay 2 weeks merong sin break. So, ang masasabi ko lang talaga sa online class is that even if it's so hard, kasi alam ko naman na lahat tayo ay hindi masaya sa ganitong setup kasi nasanay tayo nung face-to-face pa. So, it's a big adjustment for us. Pero it's okay. Konting tiis na lang, guys. Matatapos yung pandemic. Everything will go back to normal na rin. So, let's just wait and pray and hope that everything will be okay. Stay positive. Think anode. Tell your course without actually telling it. Ayan ba yan? So, if magets nyo kung ano yung ibig kong sabihin nun, comment down below. So, ayun lang guys. If you want more video related sa school or sa aking mga studies, online class, online tips, kung ano gusto nyo, anything, just comment down below and I'll do it. So I guess that's it, guys. I'll end the video here and I hope you guys like this video. Please give a big thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to click the notification bell below to get notified whenever I post a new video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!